Hey guys, I'm back again with another review video. Today, I'm reviewing this little shortcut keyboard for Procreate by Frunsi. Wait, is it Frunsi or Frunsi? Sounds like fun, so yeah, I'ma call it Frunsi. Frunsi Procreate keyboard is a remote shortcut Bluetooth keyboard designed for use with Procreate, probably the most popular drawing app on the iPad. The official retail price is about $40 or $39.99 to be exact, and can be purchased from Frunsi's website and Amazon. Links in description below. This is a keyboard that is solely designed to improve the productivity of artists who use Procreate. And it does a really good job, otherwise why would it even make this? The items included in the box are the quick start guide, a USB-C cable for charging the internal battery, and the keyboard. Other stuff? Not required. Now as you can see, the built-in battery is not removable. So how about the battery life, you may ask? Frunsi writes, Frunsi wireless keyboard contains a built-in 280 mAh rechargeable battery that ensures continuous working for about 6 to 7 months. Just saying, I don't encourage continuous working for 6 months, but hey, if you want to, at least it'll support ya. A full charge requires about 2 hours. Don't worry, I tested it for ya. There are many keys on the keyboard and I'm really not gonna go through all of them. I'll just focus on talking about a few ones which I find really helpful. The first thing I noticed is the stable Bluetooth connection. You can easily connect the wireless keyboard to your Mac or iOS devices wirelessly with the built-in Bluetooth 5.1 technology, and while using it with Procreate, there's no lag even after an hour, unlike some other gadgets. These shortcuts work well. The keys are springy, have good travel and feedback when pressed, and the product works predictably and consistently. In my opinion, this keyboard really helps improve productivity to make the drawing process more seamless. Now, while you're drawing with Procreate, this keyboard allows your left hand to access all the tools that you would normally access with your Apple Pencil too. You can call up any palette or tool without using the Apple Pencil, especially the brush, eraser, layer buttons, all on the right side. So imagine you're drawing and want to erase and get back to drawing. With the Apple Pencil, to erase, you can either tap on the eraser button or you can double tap Apple Pencil, right? To paint, you tap on the paint button or double tap Apple Pencil again. That's the basics. So with the keyboard, you just press the keys and your Apple Pencil pen tip never leaves the spot you're drawing. It's just so seamless. The best way I can say to describe this is to imagine drawing on your computer using a pen tablet or pen display, and you can only use the pen but not the keyboard. That's obviously not very productive or intuitive. But once you use this keyboard, you now have access to all those shortcuts. I've got a feeling this keyboard can work with other digital art software like Clip or Clip Studio Paint. But I don't have this installed right now, so maybe I'll do a review on that again. But today is really about Procreate only. So yeah, after a week of trying out this Bluetooth keypad, I'd say it really helped me improve my productivity and animations for about 5%. You don't absolutely need this for your workflow, but having this little buddy here for long drawing hours, I gotta say, is pretty helpful and fun. Now, let me know what you think of this and feel free to ask any questions down in the comments below. I'll see y'all in the next one.